Hello everyone, this is Cruises and Casinos. We are on Freedom of the Seas. Cabins have just been opened and it's now 2:30 in the afternoon. So here's deck 3. This is the elevator lobby, and right here is our cabin 3640. It's the very first cabin as you walk out from the elevator lobby. We have an ocean view stateroom. I don't recall the category number, but let me stay all the way back to the door so you can get an idea of the dimensions of the cabin. Over here we have a sofa. It's for privacy. You could draw these curtains. A little nightstand with a drawer on both sides. Telephone is on this side. Samsung, I don't know how big that is, looks like a 36-inch. Oh, we got a basket of fruit and some cookies, and it says special delivery. And here we have a little refrigerator usually. They put some water in there for us also. This is interesting. I've never seen this little compartment in any other cabin, but I'm not sure what could even fit in there. So you have the vanity desk and a chair. A little wastebasket is under there. A lighted mirror. A little shelf up here. They give us 2 face masks every day and a bottle of sanitizer. Here's the thermostat. We have the outlets over here. Just 2 of them, but I bring an extra one to plug in. A full-length mirror. And this is the closet. Up here is your life jackets. I usually stick my shoes up there. It's actually fairly large for an ocean view. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves, and then 1 shelf with a safe on it. This is our luggage. We haven't yet unpacked. Our muster station is C18 on deck 4, which is 1 deck up. Here's the bathroom. Standard bathroom. Capsule. Doors closed. It's much better than shower curtains, tell you that. And a sink. Let's see how it flows. Oh, it's a shower, not a continuous stream. That's cool. And full mirror, not a full mirror, excuse me. And over here we have some shelves and a little compartment down here. And over here the side mirror. Okay, there you have it. This is Cruises and Casino on Freedom of the Sea, cabin number 3640, Ocean View. Thank you all for watching.